Hello guys, in today's video we are going to do this pantry reorganization, and then we are going to set up our Christmas tree, and then we are going to make liquid soap. So this pantry is pretty much good, but it was getting stained because there were no liners on the shelves, and in the long term the shelves were going to get really dirty. Once I remove these things, you will see that some of the shelves, they have really been stained, and we just wanted to protect it from getting overly dirty, and so we are going to put some liners on it. I hope that you'll enjoy the video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and please stick around as we do this together. So you can see some of these shelves are stained, and some of them are actually stained. I don't know, the camera is not so clear on them, but it is those stains that look like mild stains, but over time, like this one. So over time they were just getting worse. And so this is our liner. I got this from Kamkunji at 300 shillings. And I'm going to use it to line these shelves. It is sticky, so you have to make sure that the surface is very dry and that the surface is also very clean, and that's why I started with just wiping it off. And the shelves are a bit tall, so I'll be double lining it. So I'll do the first layer, and then I'll do another layer at the middle, at the other end I mean. Yeah, and I'll just do this process on all the shelves. So now let's set up our Christmas tree. This tree is 6 foot tall. I got it from Chandarana. You guys, you can check it out if you want to buy. They had some good deals. So let's set it up, put some ornaments on it, and we'll be ready to go. And these are the ornaments that we have for the day. Yeah, I hope you will enjoy this part of the video too. And now let's make liquid soap. These are the ingredients that we need. You just go to the shop and then you ask for whatever amount you want. So like in this video, we are going to make 10 liters, and this soap is such a lifesaver. We use it to wash utensils and also to wash the surface. You can try it out and let me know how it goes. Once you're done making the soap, you will let it settle for a while so that all the foam on the top can be removed, and then you can dispense it in your storage jars and you keep it and it will be ready for use. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video and for working with me through this vlogmas journey. I hope that you have enjoyed each and every video. If you have any video suggestion of anything that I should make, please let me know. Please subscribe if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. See you in my next video. Bye.